Hello and welcome to the Carito Show. Woo! Welcome to the second day of Nerdlinger. I finally managed to say it right. Nerdling and Nerdlingen. Anyway, and today is race day. All the pilots are set already for racing. Let me show you the race start. Rather than just seeing that, wouldn't you rather see the track in FPV instead? Yes, you would. Let's go. Just kidding. Let's go see the real thing.
Keep me grounded as I reach higher than the sea. Is there something there for me? Pulling back the reins, letting go again. I'm not afraid. I'm not. All my life, one page at a time, I'll show you my true colors. No, I won't apologize.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed the track. We are now on the very last day of racing. The racing format is a bit different here in Germany. So the way that it works is you have we had one practice and then 5 qualifying rounds. And those qualifying rounds, they take your 2 best and they put you in a chart. And then what they do is from that chart, so you get a number, and from that chart they pick the first 8 go into the A finals, and then the next 8 go to the B finals, the next 8 go to the C finals, and so on and so forth for every pilot that is still flying. Which means that there's no semi-finals or quarterfinals. Everyone just gets allocated to other people that will fly similar to them. So in a way it's interesting because you get to racing should be a lot tighter than maybe you just got lucky and you finished because someone else crashed in front of you, but maybe they were better than you in the qualifying events. But yeah, this just takes the average basically and puts you in a group of other 8 people that should fly in a similar fashion as you. Yeah, and now I'm gonna go to my F qualifiers. Pretty down the group. The last one is M, I think. And yeah, let's see how I do.
30 Sekunden bis zum Countdown.
Also jedenfalls hat er der Präsident mal wieder von mir unterhalten. Er findet es schade, er hätte uns so toll verstanden.
Hey Jungs, ein Le Mans Start wird doch auch mal geil. Böllen, Funke, Koppel liegen alle auf der Seite, du musst die Tellen, musst irgendwann ins Rennen, dann zuerst alles anlegen und so. Das wird doch auch mal etwas geil.
Wahrscheinlich.
Bitte stehen, Fritz.
What's going on? Oh, mother. Oh. Well, and that's how it went. Unfortunately, I didn't win, or came close to. But I did have fun here in Nerdlingen. An amazing 3-day event. We've been here for 4 days already. We still have 1 day to go back home. But yes, I enjoyed the racing, I enjoyed the drag racing, I enjoyed the freestyle. Although I think there's a couple things that could have been done differently. They have things that I feel work even better than what we have in the UK. But some things can definitely be improved. The freestyle, there should be more of a main event rather than they really hit it. I don't know if you can see there in the back. And basically they had music playing, but it was basically just for you and the judges. I think freestyle needs to be more mainstream, something that everyone can enjoy, rather than just secluding everyone that wants to do freestyle in a little hut and then have their play. The drag racing, amazing, but again, a few things that could have been done better. For example, if you were dragging like all the way from the beginning of the runway till like midway, where that crane is there, over there. And if something happens, you would crash, but no one would go to recover your quad. So I think you should have spotters on the side, on a safe area, obviously, to go and like if something happens, they can spot where your quad is and go and gather the pieces. Yes, and maybe put like a little flag planted so you can go back later and if you didn't get everything, you can at least revisit the crash site and get the rest of the stuff if you're missing something. And racing as well, some good things, some bad things. As you saw when I was racing, they paused it for an enormous amount of time, didn't tell anything to anyone. I was asking my spotter what's going on, but he didn't know. And yeah, the afterwards it just started the race, and for me it was terrible because I wasn't ready. I was just waiting to see what the hell is going on, why is it taking so long. So didn't allow me to do my best in that race, unfortunately. But that's how life goes. I still had a wonderful time here in Nordlingen. I love the racing and I love all the other events, and I hope to come back maybe next year to try again some freestyle, some racing, some drag quads. And until then,
Oh wow.
click like and subscribe or Thomas will burn all the burgers. Click like. No, it's gone. It's gone.
Good one. Yeah.
Flip that burger. Yeah.